Well, it's about 7 in the morning. It's the sun's pretty low in the sky, as you can see, and we're about to head off to New South Wales to pick up a car for a mate's project. So this is the start of it. With more later on. So Rob, what are you doing with this car? What are you going to do with this car?
Oh, get out the museum.
Oh, okay. So it's just you're just restoring it, though.
Just restoring it.
Yeah. So here we have it.
Hey, there's a beast. It'll blow off on the way out.
What's it called? Patina or something they call it?
Yeah.
Here we go.
She's a bit rusty. I think the scrapyard will probably get most of it, won't it?
Yeah, oh well.
It's a thing of beauty, isn't it?
Yeah, look. It was going so hard it blew the manifold and air cleaner off. Look at
Isn't that
that.
amazing it does that?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
And the radiator fell out at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it hasn't been in there for a long time.
Pretty good clips.
So, Dadson,
But anyway, that's the only bit.
Dadson Sonny.
That's only 15.
Whoops, I can't shut the door. I shouldn't have done that. I can't shut the door.
No, just push it hard.
We'll get there.
If I dare open this one, I don't know. Maybe I won't. Here we are. She's definitely a gem.
Australia somewhere.
So you don't think we'll be able to get it started, boys?
Well, not today, probably.
Not today.
So we
So
will one day.
Bit harder today.
yeah.
But,
Oh well.
yeah, we'll get there. We'll just give her a hot tub and put a manifold on it and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Hey Pete, you sure you want this car?
It's going down here this morning, isn't it?
You sure you want this car, Pete?
Oh, look. perfect.
Hey Brian, do you pay him or did he pay you?
Hang on.
Hey? There you go.
Maybe one day.
Okay, yeah, well, say hello to YouTube, boys. There'll be a lot of people watching you.
Another barn find.
It has, we saw. Most of it's there. Yeah, well, we heard that there was a story behind
This bloke stole some of it over here.
It's pretty lightweighted.
Yeah. You just want a windscreen, didn't you, Pete?
Yeah, it's got a bit of character.
Yeah,
I'd say.
yeah. Over to me a bit, Pete. Work. Go backwards. Go backwards a bit. Yeah, come on. That'll do.
Thanks, lads. Have they done the back there yet?
Pardon?
Have they done the back yet?
Yeah, I'll just go and check.
12 work.
Oh, okay. Well, that's enough to keep me out of mischief.
Yeah, nah, I get paid lots, so I can't.
Jesus,
do it.
these blokes aren't doing much. Bloody hell.
got that other car? Did you put the motor in or?
Yeah, I
So we stopped for a coffee in Euroa, checked the trailer, and the beautiful piece of machinery that we've gone all this way to purchase. So let's see what we can. Trail's looking alright. Nothing falling off it, Pete?
seems pretty good.
That's good.
He reefed the front of it down.
Yeah, didn't he? So Pete,
Yeah, mate.
apart from making a mess on the floor,
Sorry about that.
yeah, what else are we actually doing?
Well, we're looking to get the gearbox and the engine out in one piece. So hopefully I've undone enough hoses and hose clamps and nuts and bolts that occurs fairly well. But there's always something hidden somewhere that you've forgotten. But we'll find it and we'll solve it.
Very good. Oh well. And there we are underneath, nearly all out of the way. One Dadson Sunny.
That's
It'll be up for sale at the end. Well, it might even give it a wash.
Hey, why not? Got to make it look the goods.
So we've done a little bit of a clean-up on it, and it's coming up really well. These rust sections here that we thought were really bad, I've pulled the plastic mould off, and they're not through. They would just clean up and be repairable easily. Might give the boot a bit of a clean up. It's looking a bit nasty, but it's just dirty. And then the rest of the car, little pinholes and so on here and there, but they're nothing as bad as we initially thought. The engine box, just a bit of gunk off it. Switch going to go to a new project that won't be staying with this car. So this is the reason Peter bought the car. It's a A15 and it's going to go into his Datsun 1200 coupe. It's going to have about 12.5 compression, great big camshaft. No, just crapping on. Couple of old Nessu, old Strongberg carburetors on it. What are you going to do? Or
Some downdraft Strongbergs.
couple of old downdraft carburetors on it. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Anyway, what a thing of beauty.